Hi there, I'm Leah. I'd like to take a moment to explain two very useful listing statuses available to all FMLS members that can help you build inventory, better serve sellers, and stay compliant. The first is called Registered Status. Registered Status has been exclusively available to FMLS members in Georgia since 2021. It allows you to secure a listing agreement when the seller is not quite ready to place the property on FMLS or may not be ready to promote it at all. With Registered Status, you can enter the listing once you have a signed exclusive right to sell agreement. Only the listing agent and broker can view and edit the listing. Registered Status allows you to add listings into FMLS when they are not yet ready to be offered to other members for sale or distributed inside or outside the MLS. But remember, you cannot market Registered Status listings publicly or privately under FMLS rules. That means no yard sign, no social media advertising, no email blasts, no private promotion, and no showings. If you plan any marketing activity, the listing must be entered as either coming soon or active status within 24 hours. While a listing is in Registered Status, days on market and price changes do not occur. Registered listings can only be removed by FMLS staff upon receipt of a signed termination agreement by the seller. When entering a registered listing, you'll need to enter basic required fields such as the property address, the list price, the listing contract date, the expiration date, and the anticipated marketing date. Now, let's talk about coming soon. Coming soon is useful when you have a signed listing agreement and the seller is ready for you to market the property, but the property is not yet ready for showings. Coming soon listings are visible in FMLS to other participants and may be distributed through IDX feeds and approved public websites. Most importantly, the listing agent chooses whether or not to share your coming soon listings publicly when the listing is entered. Coming soon listings may remain in that status for up to 30 days. Showings are not allowed, and no other broker or agent may access the property while it remains in coming soon status. Just like Registered Status, days on market do not accrue while a listing is in coming soon. One more important reminder: make sure your GAR or RE forms match the seller's marketing instructions. New delayed marketing and co-broker language can be found on forms such as the F101 and the F105 listing brokerage agreements. The FMLS status and your paperwork should always tell the same story. Use registered and coming soon statuses to get a jump on the market and be ready when the time is right for your sellers. These are just more great tools to help you stay ahead of a changing market. And Registered Status remains a feature only available through FMLS in Georgia. For more information, please visit fmls.com/support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.